Hello, my name is Nicholas. Welcome to this new service video. Okay, let's see how to do that.
The display shows the last command sent and the last device selected. Under the selected device item, the selected cards are shown. I can press the All button to select them all, or press each number corresponding to each card I want to control individually. Then press the button again to deselect them. Let's suppose that in card number 7 a child has already inserted a token. To make it start, it is necessary to select the All button or only the 7 button, and then press Start button to make it start. To stop it, we can press the Stop button, which pauses it. Holding down the Stop button, reset the games. To send a wireless token to the cards, hold down the Start button until a beep sounds. Press Start to start the game. When the time is up, the card stops by itself, or we can stop it by pressing Stop. With this remote control, it is also possible to set the parameters of each individual machine remotely. Pressing and holding down the number of the machine in question, we connect to the control unit of the machine and read in real time the display of the control unit as if we were inside the machine. Press the plus and minus keys to move through the parameters. To change a parameter, press the prog key and use plus and minus to change the value. Again prog to confirm the change. We can go and see all the values. To exit, press ESC and then Menu to return to the main screen. Pressing plus, we go to the next screen of the remote control, where we see the list of the machines which, if they are switched on, constantly send data to the remote control, and it is therefore possible to check the number of coins, battery level and engine hours. It is possible to set some general parameters such as token, time, volume and speed. After changing them as desired, they can be sent to all the machines, or only the selected ones, without having to connect to each machine individually. To send the command, press Start. In this case, to connect to the monitor and set the game parameters, make sure that the monitor is on and hold down keys 15 and 16 for a few seconds to connect to the control unit of the monitor hyper bumper. If there is no connection, no signal will appear. Moving through the parameters, we can set different values. Mode, set the game mode. Time is the game time, which has priority over the time set on the machines. Record is the score to win a game automatically. If set to 0, no winner. Single winner or multiple winners. In case of multiple, number of winners. Number of bumpers on the track. It's important to set the same number you have in the track. Language of the menu. Press prog and menu to exit.